Access your free language gifts right now, before they expire. Here's what you're getting this month. First, the Best of 2018 Language Learning Cheat Sheets pack. Get all of our best conversation cheat sheets rolled up into one with this first gift. Download it right now, before it disappears. Second, the brand new Supermarket Cheat Sheet. Learn must-know shopping phrases and vocab for meats, vegetables, and all the products that you'll find in a supermarket. Third, the most common adjectives. If you're a beginner and don't yet know these adjectives, then this is a perfect chance to boost your vocabulary. This 1-minute lesson will get them stuck in your head, guaranteed. Fourth, do you know the most common online shopping phrases? This 1-minute lesson teaches you how to say sign up, log in, add to cart, and much more in your target language. Access it right now. Fifth, free language learning audiobooks. Unlock our huge library of language learning audiobooks. Save them to any device and listen and learn. They're yours to keep forever. And finally, the deal of the month. If you want to finally learn and speak the language with lessons by real teachers and our complete language learning program, then get 51% off Basic, Premium, or Premium Plus with the Black Friday sale. Start your New Year's resolution right now with a 51% discount. To get your gifts and language learning resources, click the link in the description below. Download them right now before they expire.